Hi everybody and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching Turtle's begin and end fill function in Python. So let's get started. So the begin and end fill functions in the Turtle module allows us to fill any shape with any color we want. So let me give you an example. To get started, we need to import the Turtle module. So from Turtle import. Okay, and now I'll create a for loop for I in range of 4, and I'm doing this just to make it easier to create a square. So let's run the code and we get a square. So let me just add the done method, and now let's just give it a color. So color blue. So let's run the code. So now we get a blue square. So now let me show you how you can use the begin and end fill functions. So because I want to fill this square, I need to put the begin fill function before I start drawing the square. So right up here. So I'll type in begin underscore fill parentheses, and after I do this, under the square, when I'm done drawing the square, I need to use the end fill function, because if I don't put in the end fill function, it will fill every single object that I have on the screen. So end underscore fill parentheses. So now let's code a country flag. So now I'll show you how to code a German flag. And why a German flag? Because that's basically the easiest flag you can create. So let me comment out all this code. The first thing we need to do now is we need to go forward to create our first line. So forward, we'll say 200, left 90, and forward 30, let's say. And I'll just put this in a for loop. So for I in range of 2. Okay, so let me run the code. We got our first line. So now let's create the second stripe of the flag. So I'll just create a comment, line 1, another comment, line 2. Okay, so I'll just copy this code. I'll paste it down here. And the only thing we need to do is a right 90. So right 90. Then we need to do a forward 30. And then we need to do a left 90. So let's see if it came out good. And okay, we got our second stripe on the flag. So let's just add a color. So I need to do color red. Put in quotes, red. Okay. So now we need to add the last stripe of the flag. So I'll create a comment, line 3, and I'll copy all this code. And I'll paste it down here, and I'll just change the color to, I think the last color is yellow. I'll put in gold because the yellow color in the Turtle module is not the best. So gold. And let's run the code. Okay, now the last step we need to do is just to fill up these empty shapes. So before we fill up the shape, I want to change all these forward 30s to forward 40. I think it'll look better. And let's see how it looks now. Okay, way better now. So now to fill up the shape, between every line, I need to put in a begin and end function. So I'll put in begin fill and end fill. Okay, and the same thing for all of these 3 lines. So begin fill, and down here, end fill. Begin fill and end fill. So you might be asking, why are we not putting one begin fill on the top and one begin fill on the bottom? Because if you do that, it wouldn't color every line in a different color. It will color the whole thing in one color. That's why we need to put in a begin fill and end fill between every line. So let's run the code. And as you see, we get a German flag. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share this video with friends, and subscribe to stay updated on more Python tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.